Hi, welcome to the platform. We'll get started by logging in. So first thing you'll see is your home screen, which includes all the information about your customers, the products, and the different subscription plans that you provide. So we'll get started by creating a product. So let's say you're a traditional utility company where you sell electricity in kilowatt hours. Okay, so let's say this is a tariff for households, so household electricity, and you sell your electricity measured in kilowatt hours. And let's say that the cost per kilowatt hour is 20 Kenyan shillings. Okay, so we'll add the product, and now you can see it's been added right here. And then we'll go to the subscriptions. And let's say that you're a utility company that delivers bills to your customers on the 6th of every month and requests the payment on the 20th of every month. Okay, so we'll name this 20th indefinite. And the question is, how many payment cycles long is this subscription? Well, if you put in the number 0, you're specifying indefinite. And what I mean by that is that the relationship between the utility and the client is there's no fixed amount of time, but rather the service is going to be provided for an indefinite amount of time. So you have the choice of billing your customer on a weekly or a monthly basis. If you choose weekly, you can specify the particular day. But in this case, we'll say it's monthly, and we're going to request the payment on the 20th of the month, and then we're going to ask that the bill be delivered 2 weeks before the payment is due, in which case we'll just specify 14 days before the payment is due, the bill is delivered. So on the 6th of every month. And we can specify at what time the bill is delivered. So we'll add this subscription plan. We're all set. You can see that here. And again, we can add as many subscription plans as we want, and I'll show you the significance of this. So if we go to customers, we can add a new customer, and you'll see here that the product section has a drop down. So if we had created more products right here, we would be able to see them in this, what you would call a vector. And the same goes for the subscription. We would see all of the different subscriptions you had pre-generated. So for now, let's get started by creating a customer named John Smith. And this utility company charges a service fee because the utility needs to send somebody out to read the meter once a month. So this is a very typical thing. And so they'll charge 100 shillings per payment cycle. So in this case, per month, that's our payment cycle. And the primary product in this case is household electricity. The particular subscription is that the payment is requested on the 20th and the bill is delivered on the 6th. And we can say that the billing starts, let's say it's on the 21st. So this is the start. This is a new customer, and so we'll start their billing cycle on the 21st. And then we can say that this is what type of subscription. It's a regular one. It's not a loan being provided, and the usage is going to be variable, right? So we're charging the customer based on how much electricity they've consumed. So that's all we'll need right now, and we'll just make up some numbers for the customer's phone number. Okay, and we add the customer, and voila, we have John Smith. We see that he's consuming household electricity. He's getting his payments. His payments are requested on the 20th, and he's already starting out with a negative balance of 100, and that's because of the service fee. So he's being charged at least 100 shillings during the next payment cycle. So why don't we report the usage of his electricity? So let's say it's after the 21st and you're reporting how much electricity that John has consumed. All you need to do is hit usage over here and then specify how much he had consumed. So let's say he consumed 100 kilowatt hours of electricity, and we know that 1 kilowatt hour is 20 shillings. And we'll say that we'll add this to the existing usage. So we update the usage, and there you go. So you see minus 2,000 minus the 100 shillings for the service fee. And let's say that John makes a payment. Okay, so let's say John makes a payment of 1,100 shillings. So not quite all of his bill. We'll see how the balance is influenced. So it goes down by 1,100, and so therefore the next time the bill is delivered to John, his balance has been since deducted, and therefore his next charge is also reduced. Thank you so much.